Okay, welcome to the Maxkinon. This is a new tutorial about the Modern POS and Ajax issue with the installation. Okay, so let's see what's the issue. If anyone click on a user list, it's coming like that. There's a data table warning and the table ID user list is invalid. That means the user list is not loading properly. Okay, so this table is coming blank, so we need to fix it on our server. Just log into the server files and scroll down. This file we need to edit. Simply click on edit button and scroll down. Find subdirectory. This is defined subdirectory and Modern POS. So simply select, delete and save it. Okay, it's done. Now reload again the Modern POS and it's working now. Okay, so if you want this script or if you want the installation guide, simply visit our blog and here is the installation guide. If you installing a first time, that means is a new server, then use the new installation Modern POS SQL the database file, and if you want to update to the 3.3, then use this updated database file. Okay, and here the guide how you can install, and here is the screenshot the database issue. You can easily remove the subdirectory from the config.php. Okay, and if you want to download, so visit our Maxkinon marketplace. Just simply click here and you can easily download from the Maxkinon marketplace. Thank you.